Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying system compatibility and saving your work. Once done, the tool can reboot your PC to an isolated environment. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and choose Microsoft Defender Offline. This avoids active malware interference. If the option is missing, check for pending updates or a restart first. Make sure Windows Update is current because Defender components install with updates. Start the offline scan and let the machine reboot automatically. Watch for any error codes displayed during initialization. Once the basic scan fails, repair corrupted system files so Defender can launch properly. Run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. These commands restore files Defender relies on. Next, make sure Windows Update and Security Intelligence are current and restart the PC. If another antivirus is present, temporarily disable or uninstall it. Third-party suites can block the offline environment. After these changes, attempt Microsoft Defender offline again. Finish by examining Event Viewer for precise error ID that explain why the offline scan aborts. This helps target the fix. If Defender still won't run, create rescue media or use Windows Recovery Environment to run offline tools from external media. This bypasses damaged local components. As a final remedy, perform a system restore to a point before the issue, or run an in-place upgrade repair to refresh Windows without losing files. If problems persist, document error codes and seek targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.